And welcome back to the channel. I'm NFX, and today we're at Goodwood Kartways for our second race of the 2026 season. The bump goes in, the green flags are out, and we're off to racing down into corner number 1. Starting P3, we're looking pretty good, we're looking pretty promising, seeing if there's an opening, decide to back out into corner number 4. Lose a little time from the people ahead, checking my rear to see how far folks are behind me. Able to get a lot more speed into turn number 6 and 7 and back on the back of P2. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize how much speed I lost into this first. P1 and P2 are battling. P2 trying to go for the inside move. P1 trying to hang it out on the outside. P2 gets to go back into P1. P2 does the little switcheroony. I get pushed off a little wide and onto the grass over the rumble strip, not once but twice. P4 able to make a move, and I'm pushed a little farther back than I'd like. So now lap number 2, I'm in P4 now, so not great. Already lost a position to the leaders ahead. And I believe someone is on my tail as I look behind in the shadow, which makes me mess up my line into this corner. I see there's enough room ahead to hold my line. Aggressive line into turn number 4. Hold right behind P3 at the moment. And all we're doing is holding. No need to fight as we are working together to get as close to P1 and P2 as soon as possible. Yeah, this race was crazy. The level of competition in this race was fierce, and I still have P5 right behind me. Just settling right behind P3. I see if there's a way to make a move. I don't. I back out, seeing if I can force his hand. P5's able to get a little bit of a run. I know he's on the left hand, so I give him a little bit of space, but I give P3 a little bit of tap going into corner number 4. I go further out to try to grab the inside, give him a little bump again to give him that little boost so we can get ahead and start attacking P1 and P2. He takes the inside. I go a little bit further, maybe to get more speed. P5 right on my tail. I want to make sure that I'm giving him enough space as well. I try to cut on the inside. P3 sees I'm there. I have to hit the curb a little bit. I go super deep, trying to give him enough space to come back on track, and I'm able to make the move back into P3. P4 tries to go on the inside of turn number 5, but I'm able to just get a lot more speed out of that corner and into that mini straight, and I'm back into P3. Losing a little bit of time in that fight. My goal now, catch up to P1 and P2. Started exactly where I am and trying to make the most of this race. P1 and P2 are still battling ahead, so maybe there is an opportunity for me to get closer to the competition here. Wow, what an incredible day. This was only the second race, and we are already, competing for podiums, which was a ton of fun. I go a little bit on the curve here, and a little bit of my mistake, but didn't expect her to cut across like that, hoping she would get out of the track. I unfortunately lose position. I get bumped into the car ahead. Now we're still in P3, but way behind where we should have been if we didn't do that crash. For those that are watching, I probably could have gone around. I just wasn't expecting her to drive back into the lane. I see if there's a move on the inside. I go a little bit lighter, opening the opportunity for anyone to get above. I think I get a bump from the back onto corner number 5, and the two P4 and P5 are right behind me. Lap number 7 here, just finishing up. I get a little bit of tap from the side. I'm building a lot of speed to P2 right now, and we're on lap number 8. I'm building a lot of speed here, trying to give P2 a little bit of a bump ahead so he can push and I can push. Go a little bit more aggressive into turn number 4. Now I'm right on the back. I try to make a move. I don't think about it. I think about it. I kind of am a little bit indecisive there, opening the door with a cut back from P4. I get pushed from the left, dragging me to the left. So unfortunately, not the great amount of contact that we needed here, but the white flags are out, and this is the final lap of the race. And this is where it all comes down to a little bit of mischief. We are building, and there's a lap car ahead. We both slide in on the inside, giving me the opportunity to make a move on P2. P4 cuts right across the curb, sending P2 at the time off the track, holding up the pack there, and unfortunately just like for some reason just braked in the middle. I'm able to get the inside line here, and just because of that little mishap, I'm able to secure P3. Wow, that was an incredibly scary race, and looking back at it now, it was pretty intense. But if you liked the video, please subscribe, and I will see you at the next race.